Hey everyone. Say hey.
Hello.
This is Nick. So we decided after I posted that Cedric and I would do a live video about Larson Storm Doors that actually Nick or Ken would be the better option for the Larson Storm Doors because they've been doing it longer. And Ken took seniority and made Nick do it. So anyway, Nick and I are here and we're going to tell you about some Larson Storm Doors. So the reason that we are doing this time of year is because winter is coming at some point. We know living in Kansas, winter will be here. And this is a great option to add to your home, not only for winterizing your home and helping with the cold air coming in, but it kind of adds an extra, like, hey Nikki, how are you? So it adds an extra element of decor. Yeah, security. It helps, it's a whole, because they do have locks on them and even deadbolts, right? They can. So we have a whole display in the store here, and so we're going to walk you through kind of what the Larson Storm Door is, and then how you would, if you were interested in getting one. They're on sale through October, the end of October, right? So that's another reason that we're doing the video, is kind of to tell you about the sale. They're on sale this entire the rest of September and all of October to get ready for winter. And so then we wanted to show you kind of what you would need to do to measure if you wanted to come in and get a storm door or look at one. So we have this awesome door display, and we can get a lot of different things, right?
Yes. Yes. So, for instance, this is a new door that Larson just came out with. It's got a nice, heavy hardware. It's got the deadbolt option where you can have a key right here to get in.
Oh, and somebody put gum in it.
Lovely.
Minus the gum. I'll peel that off later. Thanks, whoever did that.
So, for instance, this door is a full view glass, and it will also come with a screen that you can insert. There's
so you take the glass panel out and then you can put the screen in. So during the spring or fall or whatever, you can just switch it out and make it a screen door. But this is really thick, like.
Yeah, this is a thick aluminum clad.
Okay, and I did see on there that it says I don't know a lot about this, guys. I'm learning, but I did see that they don't fade, right? So here's the colors you pick, and there's also a color sheet you can take home. But because it is the aluminum clad stuff, it's heavy duty, but it also stays that color, right? Yep. Okay, so it's not like, and low E glass. That means that you can't see that sign on there, but it does say low E glass. And so not only does this glass look nice and pretty, but it helps block the heat from the sun too. And there's a lot of different, like this one, it's facing the other way, but it has, if you can see, it has the cut glass on it too.
It's got that bevel. So you can either get this door in a low E glass, or you can just get it in a clear. There is a price difference between the two. Obviously, low E glass is going to be a little bit more, but a lot nicer, if you leave your main door open all the time and you don't want the heat coming in, you just want to see out.
Okay.
That's nice. And this door, if you, instead of having the old closers where you have the cylinder.
Let me show you so you can see.
So up here at the top, it's got a hideaway closer. So you just press it and it'll stay. And you can adjust this up at the top with just a screw to wherever you want it to go. It's real easy. It comes in the door.
So you don't have that big screen thing or the big thing sticking out down there, right?
That big cylinder.
I don't know if you guys have ever tried to move furniture in with one of those doors or not, but yeah, I have, and it always seems to get in the way. So, okay, so those are the nice. Let me see if I can show you kind of the full view. There's a display, a metal display in there, so just pretend that's full glass. But I'll show you. So we had one at our house, and here, I'll take it over here, and you show this. Oh yeah, move our stand. Yeah, we're using buckets as a stand. So it's kind of how we roll around here. But there's a thank you. There's this book that's attached to the display, and it kind of walks you through what the options are, right?
Yes, it shows you everything, as far as all the different colors of hardware that we can get.
Because you can pretty much mix and match, so you can pick whatever color fits your house. You can do white with a aged bronze or antique brass or whatever. Whatever color.
And it'll show you as far as, if you want one with a pet door, you can get it in a cranberry. Yep, you can get it with a pet door. You can different style of glass.
Okay.
You know, it's,
And on the doors there are these brochures to take home, like if you want to take home. Hi Linda, how are you? And it opens up and shows you too, like all of the different options. And then you were going to tell them too on the back what is important on the back.
So on this back sheet here, if you look, it gives you a diagram of where to measure. So there's A, B, C, and D. If you were to fill this out, bring it back to us, that'll tell us everything we need to know to order your door and make sure it's the right one.
And we have a lot of doors in stock, but then if you special order, how long does that take?
It takes 2 weeks.
2 weeks to get the doors. Okay. And they're pretty easy to install.
Yes.
And it gives a quick installation guide.
Yep.
I know online
with the doors,
too.
they'll have the installation guide and the hardware package, so
Okay.
makes it real nice.
Okay, so that's pretty an easy do-it-yourself. So I want to show you these quick screens that we've had at our house before. So not this one. So this is what is this actually called?
Screen away.
Screen away. Okay.
So you pull this lever here, roll that down.
And
all of the screen is up at the top in a roll, so it just pulls down. You know, you can stop it wherever you want.
And it's a steel security mesh, isn't it, for the screen? So it's not like they're going to be able, your kid's going to just bunk it out or anything. Tear resistant, wear tough screen is 3 times stronger than regular screens, built to withstand. It says 300 pounds of force. So if your kid comes up and bonks it, it's not going to break.
Right. And you know, it's up at the top. That way your pets and kids aren't sitting there pressing on it all the time and getting a lot of wear.
Yeah.
So that's a nice feature.
Yeah, but yet when you push it up and latch it, and then it locks. You still have the full view glass the entire time. So if you just have it closed on your home and want to just view out, then your screen isn't in the way. And so there's a ton of different options to look at. What is that? That's a screen away too, right?
Yes, this is a different version. This has got a wood core. It's a vinyl clad, and it's got the screen away in it. It's just a little bit cheaper of a door, not near as thick. If you look at the difference here, this one's quite a bit thicker than this one. This would be more for like a front door, whereas this would be,
Like
a side door or back door. A lot of people use those more than what they do the front door. So, I mean, I would feel comfortable putting this on the front door as well.
So, and this door for the sale is $194.13. So, yeah, after the $20 mail-in rebate for the rest of this month and the entire month of October. So there's a wide variety of, like you said, there's a wide variety of options that you can get. This is a thicker, more sturdy, like the steel door, and then the other one is the wood core, right?
Yes.
Just a facing on it. So, if you have anything else we should tell them? If
They
the
also
guys
offer storm windows. So,
Okay.
you know, if that's an option. You know, but right now they're just doing the sale on all the storm doors.
Right.
So,
And we have other types of storm doors too, right? So we have
Correct.
a lot of other types that we can get and have options of here in the store, but Larson was the one we were just featuring today. So if you have any questions, come in and see Nick, Cedric, or Ken, and they can help you with all of those, and you are more than welcome to grab the little books and take home. So if you have any questions, you can post in the comments below, and I'll try to have the guys get on there and answer them for you. So, okay.
I think that's it.
All right. Thank you guys, and have a good weekend. Bye.
Bye.